how doing less will bring you the greater results. So 80-20 rule. You wake up and first thing you do, you look down on your morning routine. Cold shower, meditating, grinding, drink a lot of water, visualization, positive thoughts, affirmation, and you do all of that. You are proud of yourself, but you wake up at 5 and now it's 8. And you realize that you don't even have energy to do the deep work. I'm not telling you right now that all these things is bad. It's very good habits to have, but why do them first thing in the morning? We have the most brain power. You can do it frog task in this time. You can do it 3 hours of deep work. That's work for like for whole day, and then after this deep work you can do these habits like grounding, meditating, visualization, because the person that did 3 hours of deep work will win with you. Basically 80-20 rule is 20% of effort will give you the 80% of results. So how to use 80-20 rule? For example, in fitness, if you have this friend that spent 3 hours a day working out, he's making 100% of effort for 100% of results. If you don't have time to work out 3 hours a day and you want, for example, work out 4 hours a week, you work out 4 hours a week like this basic exercises like bench press, deadlifts, squats. You hit all of your muscles and you have 80% of results. So 80% of these results that your friend will have, and you give only 20% of effort because he's spending 21 hours a week on just training, and you are spending 4. He do these exercises for all these muscles, different exercise for one muscle, and you just do exercise for group of muscles, for example for whole legs, and he do like calves and for this, but he's spending 21 hours on working out a week, and you have this time, for example, to start your business, to play with your dog. Same thing in business. And now you focus on business for this 90 hours that left, and your friend spend it on the training. In 1 year from now, you have this amazing physique, maybe a little bit worse than him, but it's 8 out of 10 physique, and few years from now you have this 8 out of 10 physique. You spend 90 hours a week on your business and 4 on working out, and he spent 21 hours a week just working out. He have this 10 out of 10 physique. You have little bit worse, but 8 out of 10 physique. But you have running business, and for example, you make 5 figures a week. You make 6 figures in a month, and he's making nothing. So that's why doing less can bring you the greater results. Because you have results in fitness and in business, and he have just in fitness. Just if you want the Greek god physique and that's your priority in life, give 100% of effort in. So that's how 80-20 rule works. You can use it for everything. For example, studying for your exam. You are not studying all the subjects, but you made the old exams that have the same questions, similar questions, and you learn these questions rather than just mindlessly reading whole book. You're just doing this exam questions once a week for 20 minutes for like a month. 1 hour and 20 minutes of studying, and he studied like, I don't know, like 40 hours, and you studied 1 hour, and you will have 80% on the test and he would have like 100. So you can use this 80-20 rule almost for everything. Figure out for yourself how you can use it to have more time, more energy on more important stuff that really matters and you really want to have this 100% of results. Or maybe for every part of life you give like 20% of effort. For example, diet 20% of effort, fitness 20% of effort, business 20% of effort, relationships 20% of effort, and lifestyle 20% of effort. And you give 100% of effort to all of it, and from all of it, you have 80% of results. Not from one, from all. And if you give 100% of effort to one thing, you can get only 100% of results from one thing. So either you are giving 100% of effort to one thing and making it the best and then moving on to the next thing, or you are giving 20% of effort to 5 things that matter in your life and you get 80% of results from all of them. Bro, that's game changer. Respect for you for watching all of this video, for educating yourself in this subject. Subscribe if you want to see the next video, which will be about deep work. 1 hour of deep work instead of 10 hours of shallow work, and this 1 hour will bring you the greater results. That's all for this video. Hope you will have a great life, great self-improvement journey. Peace.